So let us now see the work of Eichler in details. The time period for Eichler is 1839 1887. First, he belonged to Germany. He has worked on plant taxonomy, and botany. He was the first to accept concept of evolution and first to consider phylogeny. Next point, he classified plants into two groups. The first, Cryptogamy, and Phanerogamy. Cryptogamy means non-flowering plant. Phanerogram means flowering plant. He has also given the classification of flowering plants, which we'll be covering soon. So let's quickly revise the important points with respect to Eichler. Okay. He is one of the important scientists with respect to phylogenetic system of classification. The time period is near about 1839 to 1887. He belonged to Germany. Okay, he had interest in plant taxonomy and botany. Okay, he was the first one to accept the concept of evolution, the changes, what is going to happen, and also he was the first to consider phylogeny, the relationship. Fine. He classified plants into cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Cryptogamy non-flowering plant, phanerograms flowering plant. Now let's see of the classification that was given by Eichler on basis of the phanerograms. So let us see the classification of phanerograms. He divided them into two particular parts: gymnosperm, spermae, and angiospermae. He also divided angiosperm into two: more half, dicots, and monocot. So this classification was given by Eichler. He has also written the book named as Blue 10 Diagramme. There are two volumes of this book which were released. The first volume was in year 1875. The second volume, which was released, was in year 1878. So here we complete the work of Eichler on basis of phylogenetic system of classification. Now we'll see of the next scientist, that is known as Engler.
So we will stop here.
Hope you like today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.